Hey everyone, Daniel from Twin Bytes with another tutorial for you, and this time I'm going to be talking about how to find out what the correct memory is for your computer. You might find your computer's running a bit slow and you want to add some more memory, but you're not sure how much memory can your computer take and what type of memory does it take. If you head over to crucial.com, they've changed things a little bit over the years, so here's an up-to-date video from the previous one I've done years ago. On their website, you'll see a link right here, a button to upgrade my system. So we would simply click on that button. You'll see that there's a checkbox you have to check to agree to the terms and conditions, and then start your free scan. It'll download a file. You'll want to save that and run it. Once it's downloaded and you open it, it starts going through this web page here, it looks like, although it is a local file that it's generating, because you'll see the address up here. It shows your hard drive in your downloads folder, and it's creating a file called sysprofile.htm. If this scan doesn't work for you, like it wasn't working for me and it was just going in circles, you can look down here where it says don't want to scan your system, try our Crucial System Selector. Unfortunately, with this, you have to know exactly what type of system you have. So you'll have to scroll through the list of options and try to find your system. Once you enter in your computer system details, you can click on Find My Computer. It'll then tell you if they found compatible storage upgrades and if they found any compatible memory upgrades. You can see in this example here that it does have compatible storage upgrades, which is really no surprise because they're standard. That's just basically solid state drives. And the memory, that has to be specific, so we couldn't find anything for this particular system. If we look at another example here, you'll see that it's showing that they have both compatible memory and storage upgrades for your system. So if we look down here again, we'll see what it shows as the maximum capacity that it can take, and the standard memory is 4 gig non-removable. Now this is not my particular system, I'm just choosing different ones for examples. If we scroll down, then it'll tell you right here exactly what type you need, how much it would be, and if it's a kit or not of 2, and what type, DDR3, 4, and so on, and the speeds. It's a SODIMM typically for a laptop. So here you could actually buy it directly from Crucial if you want. So again, you can scroll through and see you may have more options or less depending on your system. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you did find it helpful. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Even better, give it a super thanks. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.